on. Thank you, Sahil. So such kind of sites can be created, and you will get a free domain name. You can upload a logo over here. Banners can be put up. You can always put a bundle banner also on your site. You can put up your courses, or the courses which are seen can also be given, as well as you can add up your blogs also. Um, and this is a site, it's an application, it's a cloud-based application. And I'll give you a differentiator between this as well as a WordPress site also. So this is an application. Those people who feel creating courses or creating website is too technical, this would be a pretty much easy task for them. And I'll give you a live scenario about this also as we go ahead. So uh, just give me a moment. All right. So with this, you can always showcase your courses. You can showcase your blogs. So this is how you can add up your courses and showcase your courses to your student. You can also add up your blogs also. So as many blogs you want, you can add up. As many courses you want, you can add up. So this is how the blog flow can be seen. You can promote your blogs, promote your courses on your social media, and let your audience know that you are there in the industry, and they would be able to come on your website and look at your courses also. Okay. Now I'll just show you a few things before we go ahead. So this is how the dashboard looks out for Academy Pro. Okay. And if you click on the logo, it will take you to the front end of your website also. So from the back end, this is the back end and this is the front end of the website. You can always view how it looks as we change. So from the back end, I'll give you a few details about it. So in the back end, you can do a walkthrough. You can click on the walkthrough and if you are someone new, you can go through understanding what are the details are there. You can have a video also, a video quick tour about the platform, as well as there is a support, a chat support in the platform itself, wherein as soon as you come on the platform, there would be someone to help you. And this is not an automated chat, it is a live chat wherein actual people are there to guide you. So this is not a automated board chat. So that there where the differentiator is, you come up with whatever issue it is, you put it across to them, and they would be able to help you out. Now, there is a help option also on the left-hand side. If you click on the help, you would be able to see a step-by-step video tool, which will be guiding you everything for everything you want. So say, for example, you want to know about course, how to add up a course, there will be a video on courses. You can click on that and watch how to, upload your video. But in this particular demo, I'll show you each and everything uh, so that you have a fair idea and understand that it is not that difficult to create a website just like this and market your courses also. So now the courses, what you are able to see over here, these courses are preloaded courses. It comes with the application. And if you click on any of the buy button, it will ask for either sign up and it says join for free. Now, what it is doing is it is taking leads, because otherwise what happens is there are many people who come on our website, they click, they watch the content. If they like it, it's good. If they don't like it, they just move out. Okay. And we don't capture that lead. Here, what the application is doing is it is asking them to sign in first to view the content. And as soon as they sign in, they are able to see the content also. So as soon as the student sign in, now this is the student panel wherein the student can see the courses what he has purchased. Okay. And if you want to purchase new courses, he can go again to the courses area and he can buy. Now I'll show you. We were watching the WhatsApp marketing course. That's my favorite. So if the student feels this is an interesting course and he wants to buy, he's going to click on the buy button. And here he is coming up on the landing page. Now, this is the landing page which you can promote it also directly. So, for example, you're doing a Facebook marketing or you're doing a Facebook promotion. You can always copy this link and promote it on all your social media so that the students are directly coming up over here. They don't need to sign in and do other things. This is one single course, what they are looking at. And if they like it, they're going to purchase it up also. So what all it has its automatic, now the logo and all is there. As I told you, it's a pre-loaded course. So there's no content to be written. There are videos also ready-made.
Hello, business owner or aspiring online marketer. Are you willing to?
So these videos are also there. You just need to write up your name, photograph, and all the content comes up automatically. So all the photographs are there. Now, how to do this? Okay, it's very easy, and I'll show you in the backend also how it is being done. So in the backend, if I want to add up a course, I'm going to just go on courses. We were talking about WhatsApp marketing. You search for the course. Now this is WhatsApp marketing. Now, for example, if you are someone who's, you're able to see WhatsApp marketing course here right now, and you don't want this course to be visible, you can just put this off. Okay, so as soon as I put it off, the course will be not visible on the backend. So no student would be able to buy it or search for it or get it. Now see, if I search for it, I won't be able to see WhatsApp marketing. It's gone. Okay, from the landing. Now, if you want to activate the course, okay, it is very easy. Just at a click of a button, you are clicking it to activate. It will take you inside the manage area where you just are writing your name, you're putting up your photograph, the content is ready. You don't need to do anything over here. Click on next and move ahead. A pre-report is something wherein in case you want to share, but the pre-report for a particular course, a preloaded course is already there, so it is checked. I'll show you for your own course also when you do what we do it over here. Pre-report is something like a pre-download. If you want to give it to your student, a table of content or a couple of instructions before the student starts your course. And you click on next. Once you do the next part, it comes again on the pricing area. So this is where you put up a price, whatever price you want, a product ID and a buy button code. Now this part, as I told you yesterday also, we help you with InstaMojo, Razorpay. We saw how to create a landing page on InstaMojo and how to create. So you just need to create a buy button code or a buy button link over there, and we help you with this particular code. Email format, we don't need to do anything. It sends an automatic email to your students. We just click on next and we are going ahead. As soon as you move ahead, you will be coming towards the upsell page. You put up a upper price, like a higher price. Same again process, put up a ID, copy paste the button code, email, we don't do anything, and we click on next. As soon as we go to the last page, this is the affiliate page. I'll show you this in a while. And you click on finish. You don't do anything. As soon as you click on finish, this course gets published automatically. And this is how you can activate your course. As you're seeing, there's no WhatsApp marketing here. Okay, and if I refresh the page, the course comes up automatically. So this is how it got activated. So deactivating and activating course is very easy. With Academy Pro, you get all these courses, 20 courses, absolutely free. So you don't need to worry about adding up course also. If you're new with Academy Pro, your website will look very similar like this. You can keep adding your own course and take a start also. Now, as I showed you, this is the landing page which gets automatically created. Okay, with Academy Pro, you can also keep scrolling down. Now, if a student comes up like this, he keeps reading everything and he sees this buy button. What is he gonna do? He's gonna just click on the buy button, and if he likes to join your course, it gets redirected to your payment gateway. So there is no third-party payment gateway. Like us, we don't charge anything. Whatever amount has been transferred by your student directly comes into your account. There's no middleman into it. Via InstaMojo or Razorpay, you can take it up, or via PayPal also you can take the amount. So a student gonna write his name, email ID, phone number, and if he likes the course, he's gonna complete it. As soon as he does that, you get a notification from InstaMojo saying that the student has paid an X amount to you. And as soon as you get the name, email ID, and phone number, you can go on the Academy Pro, click on the members area. And in the members area, you just need to add the new member, saying that, okay, add new member, because he has already done the payment. You're going to look out for his name. You can add his name, his email ID. And in the course, you can just search for the course, what he has purchased for. So for example, he has purchased WhatsApp. You're going to click both the things. Now, here it comes front end and upsell. That is only because front end is all the PDF files and upsell is all the video files. I'll show you this also. So, okay, this course is not purchased. I'll show you this, how it goes. Okay. And you can generate password automatically, or you can put up a password as you want. So whatever password you want the student to access, you can put that. And as soon as you click on create, the system sends automatically emails to the student. Okay, saying that one is a greeting email and the other one is with his login credential. Once he get that email, he's going to click on the link and sign up, log in and start up his course automatically. Now, when we are talking about the course and the preview of the course, I'll show you how the preview also looks like. So if you want to see the course for yourself, you can click on the I button. And when you click on the I button, it takes you on the front end of the website to show you how it looks or what the student is going to access. Okay, so the pre-report part, which I showed you, is this. The student can click on this and get a free download of the copy of, or, a PDF copy or a Word copy of the file. Step-by-step training is the front-end part wherein he gets all these PDF files, which is required or given from the course. He can also see the video courses in the similar format. So all the video courses are there, videos are there for relevant to the course. All are preloaded. You don't need to upload anything. These are preloaded courses. In a while, I'll show you about your own course also. So we are talking about, this is how the student can see his course and take a start with it. If you want to learn also, you can do that from the back end, click on the I button and watch the course and learn, implement, and share it with your students as you want. Now, for example, you want to add up your own course. Okay, that is more important because everyone is thinking about adding their own course. We will take all the queries. Give me some time. I'll do that at the end of the session. So please bear with me. So for example, you are adding your own course. Say for I'll show you the difference how it shows. So custom, what you see over here is the your own course, and DFY, what you see is done for you courses. So that is more important to understand. Now when I'm showing you a course which is added. So time management is a course which I have added. Process is again same, but the only thing is, as it is your course, you need to add up your course name. You need to add up an image like this, a mock image like this. Why? Because this mock image is pretty much important, as it has been seen over here like this. Now, there are many people who think that they can't create such mock image. With us, we give one more bonus. There are two bonus actually. One is a site which can help you create mock images like this, as well as an application which can give you 12 different templates. But the mock image site makes a lot of sense. You can always create your mock images like this. There are other coach, mentor, trainer who say if you want to create such mock images, you go on Fiverr and spend. I checked it on Fiverr. They charge 500 rupees for one single image if you want to do it. Okay. And if you have 10 courses or 10 images like this, just imagine the amount of price you're spending it. Here we are giving it absolutely free with the bonuses. There you can add up your photograph like this, and here you're writing up your name and the course description. As it is your own course, you need to write it up. Okay. When you write it up, sales platform, leave it default, click on next and move ahead. Process is same. Okay. Now the free report is for your course as it is. So in case you have a table of content, you have a free ebook which you want to give it to your student. Now ebook also, we give you more than 150 ebooks when you become a member with us, so that you can give these ebooks as bonuses to your student and generate lead for yourself. Uh, so if you have something like that, you can check on this, write a title, put up a content and upload a PDF file. That's it. Okay. So it will be shown as free. But if you don't have anything, just leave it blank. No worries. Go ahead, move on next. Now, this is the area where again we are talking about putting up a price point for a course, putting up a product ID, copy pasting the button script and email format. We don't do anything. We click on next and that's it. As soon as you click on next, this is the last area wherein we are going to upload our courses. Now, when you're uploading your course, the lesson number 1, lesson number 2, what you're seeing is for your reference. It is not seen in the front end. I'll show you this also. Whatever area, whatever detail you're putting in the title area is going to be visible for your students. So there are many people who want to write a course name, who want to write, chapter 1, 1.1 kind of, 1.2 kind of. There are a lot of people who can do it with day 1, day 2, day 3 as courses. They can upload it up in similar format. So these are your strategy, what you want to use. The platform is good to go with whatever detail you put up over here. Content, it can allow you to add a PDF file or a video file. Now, why PDF file? Because this platform can allow you to sell ebooks also. So it is pretty much easy. You can showcase the ebook and same process again and publish it up. Once you publish it, any student purchases the ebook, you can always give access to download the ebook also. But again, when now here we are talking about video, so I select video. Video can be brought from YouTube, Vimeo.com, or any third-party platform or server. Okay, I would suggest as a beginner go with YouTube because YouTube has a fantastic feature called as unlisted. If you are talking about unlisted, you make a video unlisted on YouTube, bring the link and put it up over here. Once you do that, the students are going to see the video only from this application. They are not going to see it anywhere on YouTube. There are a lot of people who say videos can be shared, and if they feel their content is really important, you can go for Vimeo as an option. Now, Vimeo will charge you $7 per month as a recurring cost. So if you feel you want to go ahead like that, you can do that. But as a beginner, my suggestion is go with what you have, promote your courses, earn some money out of it, and then think about going to a better platform. Okay. And same way, you can keep adding your courses. Now, to add your lessons also, it is very easy. Click on add, and that's it. Your lesson get added up like this. Okay. Now, if you keep anything incomplete on Academy Pro, okay, it is not going to allow you to finish because as it's a live site, if you keep anything incomplete, it is going to be seen messy on the front end and it is going to give you an error. So if you want to complete the process, complete it and then click finish, or just remove this process if it is incomplete and finish it up. Once you click on finish, it gets published and you will be able to see this course on the front end. So I'll just show you how it looks as your own course also. So if you want to see your own course, again, click on the I button. It will take you in the front end. And on the front end, you will be able to see your courses like this. So as I showed you, this is how your title can be seen by your student. And this is how your course can be seen.
Affected? This course, we're going to show you how to do exactly that.
Now, just for example, there are a lot of people who say the video comes from YouTube, and that's the reason they don't prefer to go on YouTube. Here, if you see, if I pause it, there's no video coming on. If I go at the end and I pause it, or when the video also gets finished, there won't be any garbage or any other video coming up. So why it doesn't comes up is only because on while we are adding up the course, we help you to add a particular script in your video course, and this script doesn't allow any of the other YouTube. So this is the script, that is question mark REL equal to 0. The script doesn't allow any other YouTube video to be seen to your student. Whatever video will be there on your channel will be visible to your student. Otherwise, there won't be anything. And that too, if the video is open. So if it's your promo video, if it's your upsell video, that will be only seen by your student. Otherwise, there won't be any other video coming up anywhere. So if you go on the part, it won't come up.
We truly take command of this golden asset.
So this is how the platform is. It is pretty much easy to upload your courses, and if you keep doing that, your courses will be pretty much visible to your student. And this is the fastest way to bring all your courses online. Now, if you see blogging also, blogging in case you want to write a particular blog like this and post it up or promote it up in your audience, you still can do that. Academy Pro comes with 20 preloaded courses, digital marketing preloaded courses, which is there already. You just need to activate and your whole site looks perfect. If you want blogging also, there are 250 preloaded blogs on the platform. I'll show you how the blogs also look. So these are the list of blogs which are activated. Any of the blog you want to activate or deactivate, it is pretty much simple, the same way you are doing it. If you want to edit the blog, you need to click on this particular button, and you get inside the blogging area. As soon as you go inside, you would be able to see the content is preloaded. So you don't need to do anything. It will load automatically. Okay, these are preloaded content which comes with a title, this is all the content which is ready, and these are value-added content. If you promote this content to your social media, you will be still pulling more traffic towards your website. Okay, you can add up images also on the site. Now for such images, what we do is we generally go on YouTube, we look out for images, we copy and we paste it up. With Academy Pro, you don't need to do that because Academy Pro has a stock library in library area. I'll just open it a new tab and I'll show you. This place has so many images that if you are searching out for anything, just for example, we are talking about marketing. You can type in whatever topic you're looking out for, and it will start showing you images relevant to all those topics, which for whatever blog you're writing. Now, for example, you want to add this particular image into your blog, click on this plus sign. As soon as you click on the plus sign, it gets added to your library. And in your blog, you can just click on upload image, media library, and in media library, the image will automatically come up, and you can select the image and publish it up over there. See, the image came up. You can just click on the image comes up over here. Now, publishing also, you can publish it immediately, or you can schedule it up for a particular date, time. Okay, say for a particular day and particular time, you want to automatically publish this blog on your website, it will do it. But for now, if we click on now and we publish it up. So this is how easy it is to add a blog. So for example, now this I showed you about the preloaded blog. If you want to write your own blog, you can click on add new article and start writing your own blog. Now, one more instruction on this particular site is there is no saving option on the site. So I would suggest write a blog on your notepad or on your Word, Word file, edit it up properly, make the content look good, copy it from there, paste it up over here and publish it. Okay, it should be that easy. Because as I told you, this platform works live. So there's nothing called a save option or a draft option over here. Whatever you type in over here and you click on publish, it will get published automatically. Blogs and courses, you can add unlimited. You can add unlimited students as you want. So there's no limit for students whom you are adding up. While we started up, I showed you if you log in and your student are going to see your course like this. Your students, those who have not purchased your courses, they come to you as leads. Okay, so in members area, you can see the IDs and the NA which is written are all students who have not purchased the course, but they have logged in just to see your website and we have captured their lead. You can always export this lead and use them for email marketing, invite them for webinars, use them, as you want. So the first stage is to promote your blogs, your site, a landing page, ask people to come on it. When they come on your site, they are gonna, fill up the detail and you're gonna capture leads like this. Once you capture lead, you can always invite them for a webinar, and in the webinar, you can do your sales call. So I'll show you also how to do those things also in for webinar. But to export this, you just need to click on this and it will give you an export in Excel file. Now to see your members, the people who have paid you and you have added them as a customer. So these are the customer lists. So your students are going to be seen over here, and those who have got the access, their ID will be visible and the course name, we have given them access will be visible like this. So this is how you add up students. Okay, and there are a lot of things in Academy Pro. So for example, you want a social campaign to do, you can do a social campaign, promote your course blog also on various platforms. Now via this, Facebook has changed their privacy, so it doesn't allow. But I do have different platform which allows you to do a kind of social campaign and create a social calendar also. So you can always put your content over there and it will keep automatically posting your content every day on your social media. I give that platform also as bonuses. You can do an ad campaign, say you want to put up a pop-up on your landing page. You want a pop-up to come on particular landing page. You can still do that from here. There are hundreds of templates which you can use and capture more leads. So these are templates which are there. You can use any of the template and capture leads. So there are lots and lot of templates. You don't need to do any artwork also. It is all ready made. You just need to click on the particular template. So for example, all the content is editable. You can use the data or make it rework. So this kind of thing, instead of 5%, you can write it 15% also if you want, and change the content as your offer is and showcase it to them. So yeah, there is nothing to be changed. So if you don't like anything also in this particular platform, you can always edit it up also. So hide it up also accordingly. You can do that, and make sure you show this pop-up on your landing pages. So this is how you can create landing pages. You can integrate this with your favorite autoresponder. Say if you are interested in integrating it to autoresponder, you can do that. maybe for a MailChimp or a GetResponse, a ConvertKit, wherein you want to, send all your details, candidates' detail to these autoresponder and send them a mail. You can do that from this. You just need to copy paste the API and it does its work on its own. You can also integrate CRM. You can also integrate webinar platform like GoToWebinar. As this platform is used in US, they are integrating it with GoToWebinar. Then social integration can be done. Advertising can be done. Like you can put up banners like this, what you could see here on this particular site. You can add up animation banner. You can add up still banners, and promote bundle courses, give them offers. You can put up banners like this and attract more students towards your landing page. So this can be done in advertisement area. Payment integration, you can integrate international payment as well as Indian payment. We help you with InstaMojo, Razorpay, and PayPal. If you want to put any of those, we help you. Custom domain, as I told you, we give you free custom domain with this particular platform. And apart from that, you would be thinking how to add up the logo and how to add up the images and all. It is pretty easy over here. With Academy Pro, you can just add up a logo. When you're adding up a logo, they have given a size. So this is the logo size. You just need to add up the logo in that, but create a logo, upload the logo over here. As soon as you add the logo in this particular space, the site picks up the logo in the relevant area. You don't need to worry about where to put it and where not. A favicon icon is a small icon which you can see here on the tab. So it is also given a size. You can make an artwork of this size and upload it up over here. Address part, now this also has a contact us form. So for example, you want to see, now this, as I told you, it's a application. There's no much customization, but it makes your site look full complete. And it has a membership area also. So on a basic level, it is very good. So this is your contact us form wherein you have your address and other details which are visible. Okay, in case you are shifting and you are moving out or want to change address, you can always change the address also directly. Say, I changed the address and saved it. It is this fast. I'm just showing you how fast this platform is. So you create it, you refresh the page, and that's it. Your address is changed. Okay. So you have changed your address location. Okay. And you don't need to ask for a developer or anything. Just go in relevant place and update it up. So there's no coding in this. There's no only thing is it's all process based. You just need to understand the process, where to put what and how your site is going to look. Once your site is looking perfectly fine, you can start promoting it up. Okay, once you promote, you can add your students, make money out of it also directly. And there's no middleman, there's no profit sharing. As I told you, it can allow you to add unlimited courses, unlimited students can be added, unlimited blogs can be added in this. The only thing what it doesn't have is adding up more page or more resources. So if you want to add anything in custom, you only have about us as an editable page. You can edit this page only, and you can't do much on other things. So ticket is something wherein the student can write a ticket to you if they are finding it as an issue. The ticket comes to you on email as well as on the system also. Okay. Now, affiliate is not for the affiliate partners. Like you can, this is for your affiliation, like whatever course you have added, the course details come up over here. And you can click on it and look out for the resources. So in case you want to email, you want to use some content, you don't have content for this to promote. You have content over here. You can copy this content, use it for email marketing. Like you want to start with 1 email, 2 email, 3 email. You want to put up banner ads on Google AdSense or any other social media, you can use all this artwork. These are ready-made artwork which you can directly promote and bring in more people towards your website. So that's how the content, and this is for all the courses. So it's not only for 1 or 2, it's for 20 courses which are there. You have all the content ready to go. So you can immediately take a start and promote it up also. When you're adding your own course, you need to create this kind of content so that it becomes more easier for you as well as the students also to understand, or do a webinar sales or do an email marketing sale. That is your call how to do it. I'll be showing you a few areas before we take a start into other tools also. So right now that is in English. I'll show you one more tool which can be multi-language, but that is another different package what we have. I'll share all the things with you in a while. So just give me a moment. Now for your online course journey, okay, online course coaching business, this is their life cycle. So most of the people, they feel okay, I just require a course selling platform like Teachable, and that's it. My work is done. It's not like that. Okay, if you are doing a course selling platform, I've given an option like Academy Pro. Right now, you also have an option with WordPress. Okay, and in WordPress, you have one more option like LearnDash or LearnDash is there. Then there are a couple of LMS options which are there in WordPress, and this will require some part of coding and some part of process work will be there. So it requires a lot of time also. I'll show you also this here again. You can add unlimited courses. So unlimited things can be created. You can create courses unlimited. You can create students unlimited. Okay, you can add pages unlimited. So this becomes like a whole content management system wherein if you are using WordPress. But if you want a quick solution, Get Academy Pro is, Academy Pro would be there. So it can have a sales login page, unlimited student, unlimited course, unlimited videos can be done. Free domain, we are giving unlimited bandwidth is also there. Now, when we are doing it with WordPress, you require a lot of things. Like it would require a LMS, platform. Again, it would require your hosting. Okay, your hosting will be required. The domain has to be there again. Okay, so this is compulsory, a basic part of it. And then you require a design and template also. So uh, design and template. So we do have a solution for this. I'll guide you in a while. Also on the WordPress templates design format also I'll show you. Now for course selling, these are if you're going for your own platform, these are two options which are there. If you're going for paid option, now these platforms don't have a recurring cost like other Teachable and Thinkify and Kajaria has. These platforms have an annual cost, but not a monthly cost anywhere. Now, once you have your course ready, you need to focus on your webinar sales area also. So for webinar sales also, we do have Invento is good, but Invento again, I've started with, and trust me, there are a lot of members who have reached us. They have said Invento has started with per student price as well as recurring cost. Okay, so be aware about it of our Invento. It's a very good platform, but again, the recurring cost is hidden as well as you shouldn't rely on something which would put you into trouble later on. So if your business grows and all of a sudden their strategy changes, they say we would be charging per student, you will be in a bigger scoop. So think about jumping to any of the platform properly. Now, webinar sales, you can do a live webinar with Zoom or any other Zoom, Google Meet or anything. And there's automated webinar. We are also providing this platform of automated webinar. I'll show you this platform also. So I'll just close up all these things. Now for webinar, automated webinar, we are providing a platform called Webinar Kit. In case you are ready with your sales webinar video, we will also help you out with this. Now, this platform is not cheap. If you go on Webinar Kit platform itself and try to look out for option as you want to purchase it up, these platforms are pretty much expensive, like $67 for one time. We are giving this platform free of cost with an annual membership with us. Okay, so in case you want, you can, and I'll give you an in and out about the platform, how it looks and what all things have been done in this platform. So in Webinar Kit, if you have done a sales webinar, you can just bring your sales webinar, upload it up over here. This platform allows you to create, it has an automated registered page. So a page like this can be created, which tells you about how the webinar, what detail about your webinar, a short brief about our webinar. This is an automated webinar. That's the reason it's showing the webinar starts in 11 minutes automatically. Okay, few detail about who you are, what you are. What now, as soon as the student comes on this, he understands the webinar starts in 11 minutes. He's gonna put up his name, email ID, and he's gonna register. Now, as soon as he registers, this platform sends him notification. Okay, if it is a fixed date, like for example, you're doing a webinar on next Sunday at 6:30, and you're promoting this page, your student, as soon as they register, they will get a mail immediately for their registration. They will get a mail 24 hours before your webinar date. That could be on a Saturday. They will get one more email before 1 hour of your webinar starting time automatically. You don't need to worry about this. You don't need to do anything on this platform. Just set it up and start promoting this page so that people can register and do things. Now, when they register, what happens? As soon as they register, you would be able, the student would be able to see a screen like this inside the webinar. Okay. So this is an automated webinar, and as soon as a student enters, he would be able to see things like this. Now, I have kept only an option of ask a question. You have option to put up a chat and put up a. You can also be there in the live chat, just interacting with your student if they ask you any questions. Okay. Otherwise, this is how the platform is. It takes a start on its own, as well as the student once they log in, and they would be able to see the recorded webinar, and they will be there watching the webinar on its own. Okay. So this is for the watch room. This is for the. Now, what do you think the webinar is for? Okay, so I'll just pause it up. Now, when I mute it, it still continues. It keeps going on. I muted it because I want to show you a couple of more features in it. Okay. Our control room is where you can be there and chat with your audience also. Okay, and let them know. I don't do that because I don't know who comes in and what. Whenever they come in, I can, if they have a query, they can put their email ID and write the query. It comes to me as email and I respond to them, and I generate more leads also accordingly. Now, for this platform, it also suggests you a lot of things. It also gives you analytics of webinar dropout time, how many people came in and what period of time it went. Traffic, how many people visited, what registration happened, how many people attended, how many people did a replay again. Conversions, what kind of conversions happened via this engagement, how many people clicked on your webinar links, that can be seen. And these are all the leads what I have generated via the webinar. And it's nothing wherein you can always download this and use it for email automation also. Now, this is how the time frame, I'm just showing you different time frame what people are. Now, this is at uh, today at 7:20, someone has joined my webinar, and every day I keep on getting some of the other leads. So these are various leads which I keep collecting, and I use them for my own sales process. So this is pretty much different. The platform is pretty much amazing. It generates a lot of leads. Inside the platform, you can do a lot of activities. Like you can upload the videos, you can put up pollings also. So you can put webinar details, you can put presentator, like you can add up multiple presentator can be added up. That again is something. You can schedule the webinar. As I told you, I've done it every day on an automated way, but you can do it on a fixed day time. And it also has different time zones. So if you are in India, you can choose Indian time zone. If you are in US or in Australia, you can choose their time zone and fix up a webinar for that kind of audience. This is again pretty much feasible for those people also if they are in different time zone and they want to watch it in their particular time zone. Landing pages can be created as per your wish. So it is again, different size. No coding, nothing over here also. Okay, it's all related to process. You can put your brand image or a logo or your name image over there. Webinar thank you page can be created on this, as well as pollings can also be done. So if you are looking out for, see here I have done webinar setting. I've just put email question box, but you can activate webinar live chat, redirect or attendee to webinar. As soon as they finish the webinar, they can get redirect, or they close the webinar, they can redirect to some other different site. You can put offers, whatever offer you want. You can add it up in the webinar. You can put webinar polls also, so that the audience is not bored. As soon as the webinar is going on, they will see polls over here and they can click yes, no options and have an interactive thing. Webinar handout setting can be done. You can give free bonuses or downloads to your students also. Only because they have added, they have been there in the webinar. You can do all this setting and make sure those automation starts working for you. Trust me, there are webinar platforms like this called Webinar Jam and all, which charges huge. This you are getting it free with the application, with a particular membership also. So I'm just showing you a few more things. It's all at a click of a button you can do. So there's nothing more coding in this. Just go with the flow and you are good to go to create a webinar, automated webinar page platform like this and promote it up. You get landing pages, you can collect leads out of it. Email automation happens. Your student gets automated webinar reminder and they will get into your webinar automatically. So this also you don't need to worry about. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Webinar sales tool. You need to prepare yourself for live webinar, create your sales webinar. Okay, be ready with that. Epic Funnel was there. I'm not working. This platform has not been given now. For email automation, as I told you, we can always work right now with InstaMojo and Razorpay, which helps you for a shortest email automation. Like day before yesterday, I shared with you how to do this. InstaMojo, and you can use Razorpay also. Use this kind of platform because this works as a payment gateway as well as it will send the information about your webinar to your students also. As soon as they pay, they can get the notification of your webinar, and you can use this as email automation part. Now for lead generation, there are various tools. You can use this for promos. You can create quizzes out of it. You can create shortest landing pages and promote this lead generation page towards your audience. They can come into your funnel. They will get into a page of InstaMojo and Razorpay. From here, if they pay you, they get notification of your webinar or your webinar link. They can join a live webinar or they can get into your webinar automation part. And from here, you can push them towards your LMS platform like Academy Pro and WordPress. So this is the whole flow of your online coaching business. So in case you want to understand how a person can do now, I don't know, there are a lot of people talking about various platforms. They have not even thought about, they only talk about how to create course, how to sell course, but these are four different pillars which are important. And right now we are providing all the solutions to you in Academy Pro. And tomorrow, once you join, I will be helping you out with lead generation part also. I'll be helping out with Facebook funnels also, how you can create or make sure your Facebook ads can be done or understanding of Facebook ads can be done. See, I'm not expert on those areas, but I'm also trying, I'm also learning, I'm also teaching people how I am doing it. I can show you tomorrow on those areas in terms of marketing and helping you to move ahead with it. So right now, as you saw, various tools with us. I do have more tools to show. I do have different business plans. And with these expensive tools, there are a lot of expensive tools which most of the coach, mentor, trainers are using, and they have been making huge money out of it. And this is something wherein I used to understand. A mentor I used to follow used to had made in 16 months. No office, no employees, teaching people how to do it, inspiring people a lot on terms of the knowledge what they have. I do know we all have that kind of knowledge wherein we can share the knowledge. Only thing we lack is with tools. And here I do provide a lot and lot of tools with the membership. So I do have different plans. I'll talk about the plans tomorrow. And as I showed you with Academy Pro, you get all these courses absolutely free. So you get Facebook marketing, Facebook remarketing, Facebook ads. Now, these courses are all social media marketing courses. You can activate the course, you can sell these courses, you can keep all the profits to you, no profit sharing. We don't charge you a single penny also on adding up new student or you selling these courses also. Apart from that, you can add n number of courses, your own courses. There's no question asked until and up to you are able to create content, upload it up on that and promote it up. It's all your profit, no profit sharing on that. As I told you, there are various tools and technology in terms of creating courses and platforms. I do give a lot. I'll talk about the bonuses and other things tomorrow, as we do have a lot to learn in terms of promotion. As we till date we have understood how the business works. We have understood the skeleton work of your online course selling business. We understood about tools, what can help you to upload your courses. We understood how landing pages can be done on your payment gateway. We have seen those areas, and now we are going to talk about your promotional part tomorrow. We are going to talk about how you can promote it, reach more audience, and make sure they come back to your course selling platform. As I was talking about Facebook, your WordPress site also, I'll just give you a quick idea about it. And study, I don't know. I'll just give you a quick view on the WordPress part. We are trying to help with the new members who are planning to go ahead as a part. We can give you two options. Right now, what we have is Academy Pro, and we are planning to give this option also to the members. This will be a bit expensive option. I'm not saying in case you are someone who wants to create more content and more things, you can think about these kind of options. But if you have limited of a limited thing, you can go with Academy Pro and take a start immediately. Like within a week, you would be able to create your course selling platform and be ready. So this, I'm talking about a WordPress option. It requires a dedicated server. Again, it requires a lot of customization. There will be a bit and pieces of how to use this. And content is, WordPress is hungry for content. So if you're someone who is having a lot of content and can do this, you should go for it. But if you're someone who have limited thing and you want to just create video content, you want to promote yourself into the market and want to write up blogs and all, then Academy Pro is quite enough for you, good enough for you. This is on a very advanced level. We are talking about WordPress. So this is how the theme looks like. You can add up content, you can add up the course like this. All the courses detail can be seen. Now this can be in multi-language also. There was somebody who was asking me about it. Academy Pro won't be supporting multi-language, but WordPress can do that. Okay, you can add up your course, and I'll show you how your courses can be seen and how your profile can also be seen. This does a lot and lot of things in WordPress. So we are working on it so that in case there are people who are ready to spend that kind of amount, we will be helping them to create this. So talking about adding up a course, like from the content developer point of view, if you are a trainer, you want to add up a course on such a WordPress site, it is pretty much easy. This has its own plugin as a LMS. Here again, you can add n number of courses, so there's no limit. To add up a title, like, you can always say how to create. So this is how easy it is to add up a title. This is your detail which comes up. If you have a co-instructor, you can add him as a co-instructor. You can choose a category in case you have different category of courses you are creating. You can choose that. You can add up a price also. It is pretty easy to add up a price. Say again, if I say $2,000 and I'm giving an offer by saying, okay, $99 only. And it comes up like this, which says enroll now. The actual price is 2,000 and the slash price is 99. It changes the dollar sign also. So it's not revenue, which is not, it can show any currency across the globe. So that is again not an issue. Duration, you can always put it as you want. So 2 hours. If your course is 2 hours, you can put 2 hours and add it up. Video, again, here also the video comes from YouTube. Here also the video comes from Vimeo. You can put up any of the link. And as I told you, this adds up membership level also. So you can sell membership level for beginners, say 1 course, for intermediate, say 3 course, for advanced 5 course, at 10 course. As you want, you can define your business model. Over here, description, you can add up a course image. You can add content. As I told you, it doesn't come up with content. WordPress is hungry for content. The more and more content you put, it's going to look good. But the less content you have, it is not going to show. You can add up material. So if you have added a particular course, you can choose the file, upload the file from here and showcase it. You can add curriculum, like you can say day 1, what you're going to teach. Okay. And day 2, what you're going to teach, and lesson, quiz, assignment, it can keep adding up. FAQs, you can add, if there are preloaded questions of your student, you can keep adding them and write an answer also over here. Announcement you can do if you want to give a discount for this month or something like that, you can add it up over here also and let people know. Now I'll show you from the student point of view also how it looks, okay, on WordPress. Now on student point of view, it looks pretty much amazing because it has a lot of feature from your student point of view. So say for example, I'll show you the student point of view. Okay. The student can get, assignments. The student can write up quiz. The student can add, get a certificate also. Now, this is how the student profile looks like. The student name comes up, profile comes up. Okay, a student bio he can write up if he wants. There are not many students who does all this thing, but yeah, he will also be able to see what kind of certifications he have got, what kind of groups he has joined, what kind of messages he is getting up. So all those details can be seen in his profile, in student profile. Apart from that, if he takes a start on a course, for any of the course which he has purchased, so these are the all the courses which he has got. And if he takes any of the course, I'll show you how it looks. So you just go into it. So he clicks on start, and this is how the course looks like. Now the course can be a combination of content, like a textbook content, like anything you want. You can add up content as much as you can over here to showcase it. The student is gonna read. The course details are gonna be seen like this. Like if there is it's like a table of content which will be seen over here. If he completes this particular thing and he clicks on complete, it takes him towards the next page. It says, okay, course completed, goes ahead. As he goes ahead, he's able to see quiz. You can create quiz. The student starts a quiz. As soon as he starts, there's a timer which starts up. Okay. So this timer is something wherein he has to complete the quiz in that particular period of time. So could be a checkbox, could be a radio box quiz, could be a fill in the blank also. So if you want, he can write it up, a fill in the blank quiz. So this kind of thing can come up, and I'll show you what happens after we complete the course. Okay, so I'm just putting a random detail, and here it asks couple of more questions. You can now this is how the match the following what we have done in school can be done. So I say Bill Gates here, I say Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg and Larry Page. So this is how you can add up, and you say submit quiz. Once it is submitted, the timer stops and it gives an option and a result immediately to your student. So this is amazing, which lets your student know where they stand and what were the right and wrong, what they have done. Immediately they come to know with the preloaded response. So it shows all the response. So, it shows what was the right answer for this. And this was a wrong option I've choose. All this fill in the blank was wrong. This is what, it shows what was the right and wrong. So this is how all the questions came right. It is pretty much amazing for those people who want an interactive thing for their audience. Okay, but again, this comes with a price. It's not that easy to have things. Uh, you can add up content like this. You can add graphical presentation. A lot of things can be done on WordPress. Okay, and also as I told you, you can give certification to your students after they complete their course. Yeah, your video course can be seen like this. And in case their student want to write something, they can interact with you by clicking up here. If they have a question, they can write a question over here. And this question can be answered either by a community or by you. So this again is something which is too much interactive, okay, on a level like this. You might have seen this kind of features on Teachable, but the feature doesn't come up like this. It is more on a rigid, fixed background. Here, the student gets a whole experience to understand the whole platform, and this is how the course starts. Now here, as I told you, it comes from the videos can be played from YouTube, from Vimeo, any of the platform it can choose. It is pretty much responsive also. So there's no worry wherein you require an app or do they can always go on your site and click and use it from any platform. Okay. So this is about WordPress. We are working on these two options. One is Academy Pro. The other one is WordPress. If you want Academy Pro, we do have this option ready. WordPress will take a bit of time. It will consume a bit of time because it requires a lot of things to be done on the backend with the LMS. And once integration of your domain and hosting is done, the theme and design has to be uploaded. And then your branding also starts on this. So here we are giving support in terms of creating your logo, in terms of branding your photographs and making up a banner. So personal branding can be done on this. Price point wise, this is all different. Academy Pro and WordPress has two different price points, which we'll talk more on in detail because of the bonuses part as we go ahead. I have to show a lot of bonuses. Please don't miss out tomorrow's session. If you are joining in and you want to know more and more, I'm just giving you a peek about the bonuses, what I all have. I'll give you in and out about all these bonuses, which I'm giving off to people who are joining us, and I will give you more details about all these bonuses tomorrow. And in and out about the bonuses, I'll be sharing you. So please don't miss your session tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be more important. And if you have any questions, please unmute your mic and I'll be able to help you out for whatever queries you have. But answer, how can we create international schedules? For what? How to enable international payments? You can do international payment with PayPal. You can do international scheduling. If you're asking about webinar kit, you still can do that because there are a lot of options. As I told you, the zones are there. Different time zones are there here. You just need to select your time zone where your audience are going to be attending it. And accordingly, you can add them up. So maybe here. See, these are the time zones which I told you. So these are different time zones. If you want a particular audience to join in their particular time zone, say for example, if you're talking about Australia time zone, or in Australia at 6 p.m. you want the session to be done. Now Australia has four different time zones. So Adelaide, Brisbane, and different time zone. You can choose any of the time zones. Say Adelaide time zone, Adelaide 6 p.m. All the students who are gonna be in that particular region are gonna join in that particular time zone and attend your webinar. So this is again a pre-recorded thing. Can you show InstaMojo button integration on Academy Pro? Again, sure. Academy Pro, this is the courses. And in this course, Bhavita, I'll give you, if you want, I'll show you, add up the course also. So I'm talking about time management. So you're talking about the button for your own course, right? Yes, okay. So if you want to add your button for your own course, just go inside it, go into main course, and here it is. You can ping me on WhatsApp if you want, and I will be sharing the script to you. In this script, what you just need to change is this particular link, which is there. This comes from your payment gateway. And in your payment gateway, say, for example, you are using InstaMojo. In InstaMojo, you can click on payment links. And from payment links, you can create your course links. Say, for example, I have something here like webinar marketing. Okay, I have created it up. I will just copy this link from here. And in the script, what I'll do is I'll paste it up over here. As soon as I paste, it gets integrated with this particular button. And that's it. It's pretty easy. Here you can put up the price point, whatever price point you want to show. Say, for example, I have mentioned over the 99, so I've made it 99, and that's it. You can copy this and put it in the other part also. It's pretty easy. Okay. Can we change the videos in order to? In Academy Pro, no, but yeah, in WordPress you can. All right. So how to create workshop reminders like you have sent. Harish sir, I do a lot of things manually. It looks to people it is automated, but trust me, it is not. I do a lot of things manually, and because of manual, it becomes more easier for me also to understand. See, I'll show you. I keep sending reminders via Gmail also. I keep sending reminders via different platforms. So, see, this is my BCC. I see these are the this is how my email reminders go. So I do that on my own, saying that okay, it is gonna be we will be live at 2, and I do write it up and send it. But if you want automation, you can use different tools. I had one tool called Epic Funnel. This was fantastic tool, but right now they are not giving access, and that's the reason I am not able to share it. This tool used to do a lot of automation work, and they also have a lot of amazing features. It allows me to create landing pages like this. So whatever landing page you might have seen of mine, I do create it on Epic Funnel. But Epic Funnel, those members who have registered, their account is there, but those who have not used it, their account is not working. This is the landing page which has been created by Epic Funnel. It is very easy to use, very easy to do. Only thing is, we need to understand. Until you don't understand any of the platform, you won't be able to do it. Why not best of the best, Teachable, Thinkify, you use it, or ClickFunnels also. I have seen people spending 7,000 on ClickFunnels and they make such a bad landing page only because they don't have an idea what to do on a landing page, even though they give templates and all. But still, it is more important for you to understand these tools and use it also. It's all drag and drop in this tool. So pretty similar like, uh, your ClickFunnels. It creates a landing pages like this. It allows you to add videos, pointers, as you want, you can do things over here. Okay. Now, a small request before we all leave. Okay. I want you guys to visit this link. And in this link, we do have a area that says what people are saying. If you can give your rating or views over here, that would be great for me. Okay. As well as I want you guys to, help me to reach out also people. So once you do that, I will be giving you your free bonuses tomorrow. So I require your, I'm just putting up this link over here. Scroll down, you will be able to see this, what people are saying. Write a review about your, 4 days, whether you liked it, you disliked it, no matter whatever it is, just put it up. I want your views over here on this particular part so that others can see. If you are there on LinkedIn, you can also tag me. I would be pretty much happy with whosoever tags me. My name is, I'll just put my LinkedIn reach also so that it becomes better for you. You can add me on LinkedIn. You can connect with me on LinkedIn as well as you can tag me. This is the tag what you can write. You can write something good about the webinar which you are attending. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, still you can write it up. No one is stopping you. Okay, so that at least I'll get your feedbacks and I'll get others also would like to understand whether I'm doing a good job or bad job on it. Okay, tomorrow please don't mess up because tomorrow I am gonna yeah, because that's the next batch which we are coming up. So don't worry about it. Just go add up your views over here. Whatever timer you're seeing, that is for the next coming batch. Our batch is already started. Tomorrow is the end. So please go write up your review. Your review will be immediately published on the site, and others would be able to see it up also. Tag me on LinkedIn so that I will be able to connect with you. And in case you want any help, I can do that over there also. I would be giving tomorrow all the bonuses, so don't miss to be there. And please do this activity, what I've said. I require your reviews, I require your tagging on LinkedIn so that once I see that, I will be giving my bonuses to those only. Otherwise, I'm not going to give bonus to everyone who's attending it up. I require something in deal with you. So either a good, bad review about the session or you need to tag me and tell me that you have been attending this session and whatever you feel on these two platforms. All right. Thank you very much for joining me on this afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you have any queries, you can reach me out. You know where I would be available, and there are a lot of chat coming up here. It shows. But answer, just go ahead and tag. You already are in the session. Don't join the session. Okay, you already are in the session. Yeah, if you are happy to pay me 499, you can still do that. I'll be pretty much happy. No worries. So, and I told you last time also, those who pay me, I'm not going to refund anything. If you are directly joined the session, it's good. Uh, how to create new course, Anthony, so how to create new course and what are tools available in Academy Pro. So tomorrow I will be telling all the tools in detail. Don't worry, as we already have crossed 1 hour. I really don't want to pull up this session. Anthony, sir, I will be guiding you tomorrow on all the tools and how to use these tools also. Giving you in and out about the tool. Today, as I showed you Academy Pro, that was one tool. I've showed you Webinar Kit. That was another tool. I'll be showing you a couple of more tools also tomorrow as you join in. Okay, sir. And I'll give you the offer price also for the membership tomorrow so that if you think you want to be a part of it, you can, you're most happy. I'll be more happy to take you into the membership area. All right. No worries, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Take care of yourself and your family. Have a great day ahead. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Patan sir, go on the side, scroll down, and you will be able to see this screen. Okay, what people are saying. Click over here, write your review, and just submit it. That's it. It's simple. I'll share the link again. Don't worry. Thank you very much, Jeba. So I really appreciate you guys coming for this session. I'll see you tomorrow again. Don't worry. And don't miss tomorrow's session. A lot of things are going to happen. It's going to be more interesting with more tools and more, clarification on how you can create your online course selling journey. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. See you tomorrow. And I would like to see all your comments coming up on LinkedIn as well as on the site. Thank you.